Customers may be unaware that, when entering or exiting a vehicle, they may grab and accidentally turn the steering wheel. This may cause the steering wheel lock to engage, which will prevent the vehicle from starting via key or push button. This steering wheel lock system is a theft deterrent feature. It does not signify a problem with the vehicle. When attempting to start the vehicle, the ignition switch may seem stuck in the lock position. Should the customer experience this situation where the key cannot be rotated, they will need to release the steering lock by turning the steering wheel left and right while simultaneously turning the key. Should the customer try to start the vehicle by pushing the engine start-stop button and depressing the brake pedal, but the vehicle will not start, the customer should first look at the Multi-Information Display, or MID. If steering lock is displayed on the MID and the engine start-stop ignition button is flashing, the customer will need to release the steering lock by turning the steering wheel left and right while simultaneously depressing the engine start-stop button and the brake pedal.